Hi everybody, welcome to Wrench. I'm Travis, this is Kevin. What are we doing today?
Oh god, we're really doing the high energy thing?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going high energy today. So, today we're install the Hydro e-brake. So this is the Hydro that we're installing, ASD with a Wellwood master cylinder. I want to mount it right about here because what it should do, hopefully, is come through, over here. It should come through this slot on the center console. There's still going to be a bunch of trimming involved, especially back here where the master cylinder goes. Kind of eyeballed everything. I'm not big on measuring, so we're going to go ahead, mark it off with a Sharpie, and drill straight in, see how long of a bolt I need, and then I'll go pick some of those up. Shouldn't be anything right underneath here. The way the transmission's set up with a separate shifter housing, should be able to go straight through here, run some bolts through it, and be good to go. As you can see, pole is straight, and I can still go fully into reverse with it right here, so this is about the only place I can do it. And I got that marked. Go ahead and drill some holes. It's walking pretty good.
It's double layered.
Yeah, need to go at an angle. Like that.
Snap the bit.
That was fun.
Don't worry, we got it out.
New, bigger drill bit.
What are you doing?
Now.
What are you?
Alright, you want a 3/8?
I'm trying to annoy Kevin.
Yes.
He got so annoyed by this earlier.
Alright, I'm ready when you're ready.
Like a cow.
Push down, Kevin.
Which one?
That was the point.
Front or back?
Back if he gets it.
It's definitely not going anywhere.
Right.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah, you're actually better in the metal. Keep doing that.
Right there.
Actually, yeah, right there would be fine. And that needs to be go over just a bit farther. Right there.
Sick.
Yeah, that'll work. That's a super ghetto way to do it. But unless I have Hulk strength, I'm not ripping through 2 layers of stamped steel metal, so.
Also, in the future, we need to buy a welder. If we could have welded a plate with essentially studs on it.
That would have been cooler, but this was a lot easier. So you can see, I've just put this into the slots, and it sits pretty much dead center of the hole I wanted it to sit in, so.
I love slots. We have to cut a
So,
lot
yeah.
more than I thought out of it.
Pretty much this whole section right here, yeah, it's just this piece of plastic right here. It's pretty much gonna have to get cut out.
You guys stop it?
But it's fine. We'll get there when we get there. For this weekend, it'll just be sitting here like this with no centerpiece.
You know, I think you should actually just keep it off for the whole season.
No thanks.
What?
I like my car being full interior.
Nah, it's sexy.
There's nothing.
Look at all those
there's
exposed
nothing
wires.
Sexy about it. Exposed wires and clearly stained matting of some sort.
You don't like stained matting?
Not unless it's my own mattress.
Ooh.
That was gross. Shouldn't have said that.
That was really kind of gross a little bit.
I'm a pretty decent person, like, just saying.
Well, the lie detector test determined that was a lie.
Okay.
So this is, as you can see here, the .62. This is a 5/8 master cylinder. This is what's actually recommended for most cars, even though it seems like pretty much all of these end up shipping with .75s. So if your hydro is having trouble creating pressure, like when you pull it, it gets hard, but you don't actually lock your brakes up, it might be because you have too big of a master cylinder. So I actually had to buy this because mine came with a .75 originally. So we're gonna put this one in and then run the lines. That's good, Hercules. We got the bottom bolt, top bolt in. Fitting is kind of back in, but now there's not a whole lot of room to do anything with it, so we're gonna figure that one out. Put the bolt back through the handle that goes to the master cylinder.
Right there.
All right, so I'm using a 4-foot -3 AN line to go from the master to the T in the middle. No, because this is already going to be cut out. This will be exposed on this side, so it might as well run right here. Oh, yeah, that'll work. That'll work. That'll work.
And then we can go. Hold on, I'm gonna do it before you get it.
Go underneath the carpet with it. All right, so we're just going to hook this line up. We want to run it just about like that. And then I'm going to let my parking brake down. So we got the line ran down here. Next is putting the T on. I'm pretty much gonna have to stop there because I have to get new sideline because the ones I bought were too short. And then I've got new caliper fitting adapters to -3 on the way because the ones I ordered were wrong because somebody gave me the wrong part number.
Chris Days.
And then that'll pretty much do it for the night. So I got the fittings installed in the secondary caliper and that's all bolted up. So now all we have left to do is to route the lines to the T here. So I've gone ahead and drilled a hole in the back. You can see straight through there. I've got a grommet on the new line here. I'm gonna feed that through and fit it on, see how it looks. The lines are hooked up, grommets are in. I'm just going to secure this line somehow, hopefully out of the way, because I still have to put tires back here occasionally, so try to find a way that it won't get crushed. All right, so last night we finished up the e-brake, bled it, and really need to film that. We use the technique where you take a bottle about half full, put a vacuum line from the bleeder into the bottle, and then take another bottle up at the reservoir. Just fill it and keep pumping it so no more bubbles come out. So I'm out here at Aaron's bachelor party and I'm gonna test out the e-brake. Let's see if it works. Ready? Here we go. It works. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. We will see you on the next one. What's up guys, it's bonus content time. I went ahead and finished up the interior pieces. Me and Travis trimmed them, made everything fit, and I wanted to show you guys how it looked before closing out this video. So let's go take a look at it. All right, so as you can see here, center console's back in, even the e-brake boot's back on. Get up in here, you can see how much we had to trim out of the side of this. And now you're probably looking at this right here. But if I hadn't lost the clip that goes on that piece, it would actually sit flush and everything would be nice. But you can see that the handle does fit where I wanted it to. It's a little bit more forward than I would have wanted it, but when I was mocking this up, this seemed like the only way it was gonna go, so I don't know. And if you notice up here, went ahead and wrapped this. So it's actually, if you ever had a ASD hydro, these things are really narrow, and when you're yanking on them all day, they can really dig into your hands. Mine ended up pretty beat up from the last event. So what we did is we stole one of the bike grips off of Travis's BMX bike, threw it on here. I went and got some of the sports wrap that you use for like an ankle injury, and wrapped it around it, and it's super squishy and comfortable now. It doesn't move anywhere. So just wanted to show you guys the completed look, back to looking like I have full interior. I think it came out pretty sweet. So again, thank you for watching. Hope you got what you needed from this one. Look forward to the round 1 video of Lone Star Drift. It should be pretty epic.